Let's bring in Stacy Rasgon to discuss, senior semis analyst over at Bernstein. Stacy, great to have you. I'm thinking of what Kramer said earlier this morning, and that was that the Micron call, in his words, was seminally bad. Would you go that far?
It wasn't great. I don't think expectations were for it to be great, but it certainly, was not great. Seminally bad. I mean, it's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Things are getting worse. I mean, demand across a variety of end markets has already been weak, and it looks like it's getting worse. Micron, as you mentioned, is doing a layoff. I think even the executives are taking a salary cut. That doesn't happen unless things are not great. Right.
How far can gross margin fall? I mean, where do you think that troughs out?
So I don't cover Micron, so it's a colleague of mine. But I mean, gross margins, I think so I don't have a model for it, but at the end of the day, they guided gross margins 8.5%. I mean, it's a function of utilization and price, and it sounds like both of those things are going down. Not Micron, but I mean, like we've seen other players, like most players that aren't necessarily around anymore, but we've seen gross margins in memory at the trough of a cycle get very, very bad. I mean, they in general they can go negative. I don't know that they'll do that for Micron. Hopefully not, but I mean, it's not unheard of in memory in the deep trough of a cycle for things to get very bad.
Yeah, and that's why Mike Santoli, at least one sell-side research report today, started to talk about the notion of inventory write-offs, not declaring or predicting, but just saying what if.
Yeah, and that's the next potential wave, I guess, people are braced for. The other end of it is just the sort of game theory of trying to play this phase of the cycle. If you do see bigger competitors in the memory area actually investing through this part of the cycle, like Samsung, in other words, you have to figure all that out, right?
But this is part of it. So I mean, like the idea that Micron is like cutting capex and memory in general is cutting capex along those lines is not new. They've already said that they expected capex to be down, more than, or equipment spend to be down more than 50% in their next fiscal year. There's been some worry that Samsung maybe is not like going along those lines. And again, memory is this sort of game theory prisoner dilemma. And so some of this also could be signaling. I mean, the thing that's killing the semi-caps today, by the way, is not so much that they cut the capex for this year. Micron said in fiscal 24 that their equipment spending would be down from 23, when 23 it's already down another 50%. So I think nobody knows what 24 is going to look like. Even Micron, nobody knows. But Micron's got zero incentive right now to paint a rosy picture. They might as well set it low. And there may be some signaling going on there as well. Like there's plenty of that kind of game theory that happens in the memory space.
Yeah, it definitely felt a little kitchen sinky, but as you said, visibility in this cycle, not very long duration. Stacey,
I mean, at this point, you might as well set things as low as you, because you got to remember, they've been cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. It hasn't been enough. So you want to at some point set that bar low enough where they don't have to cut anymore.
Right. Stacey, thanks as always. Talk soon.